Okay, here we go, part deuce. This is part 2 of my new 8x16 storage shed slash it's a prepper's bug out cabin. At least it is in the book. So what we have here is 16 inches on center, and we have 2 large windows and 2 smaller windows for the loft. And there's a loft up there. That's where the grandkids get to crash out with me later on. It's been taking a very long time, mostly because I had to undergo cancer treatment for the prostate, and that took a lot of energy. When I was taking the treatment, I was feeling good. After the treatment, wasn't feeling so good. But anyway, the Legion boys, they came out and did all this top stuff, as well as put the roof on. And here is the roof. Evergreen. So now, according to the plans in the book, this will fit 5 people comfortably, because 2 people would sleep downstairs, possibly 3, and 2 or 3 will sleep upstairs. And the windows would be on the sides, not on the... Let's get a different angle here if we can. And the windows would be over on the sides here. And the door would be here, a regular 30-inch or 32-inch door, depending on your pleasure, what you want. And I did put channels in for a nuclear bathroom. You can put a composting toilet or just a bucket or whatever, in case you don't feel like going outside all the time. This area right in here would be a small kitchen, so you can put in a fridge, microwave, a small sink of some sort, some cabinetry, shelving at least. In the plans, this would be where the beds would be for the downstairs, and another window would be here. I had to redo the plans a little bit since I built this. This is definitely one big experiment. We'll go inside here. This is the loft. It doesn't give you very much room. It's only an 8x16. And you probably want to put a very small wood stove and put up the heat block for that too. All the different purlins. But I built this mostly for me, but I wanted to see how much lumber it would take to build this. And basically it's about 120 2x4 by 92s by 5/8, about 20 2x4 by 8s, 4 pieces of plywood for the floor, 17 2x8s for the joists and rim joists. That's some of the basic measurements. The roof is 2 foot on center, so I think we used 9 or 10 2x6s for the roof, and some 1x12 for fascia. Down here I got some T111. No, that's the reverse side, but T111 has the 8 inches on center. I'm not going to try to lift it up holding this, but if you put a couple people upstairs, and you'll have to build safety measures up top too. They'll all be in the book. And way I got this built for the book, for myself. Once this window gets put in, I'm gonna put more 2x8, 2x6 out further, and have another 4-foot area to sleep, and then put a ladder right here for the extension, and that way do plenty of space. Whereas probably it would be over here. You can reverse this too, so it doesn't really matter what size you do it, but you just have to flip all the measurements around. So that's the basics of it. It's only a 6 foot up to the top of the headers here, so you would definitely have to bend over unless you're smaller. So it was fun building it. I still have to, put the T111 siding in, some OSB for the loft, build the extension for the loft, put in 4 windows and a barn door that'll swing out, and it'll have key knobs. Hopefully we can declutter after that. Once all this gets pretty well done, I'll shoot another video and show you how it all pretty well comes into play. So we do have a new website. Turn around out of the sun here. We do have a new website. It's called Family Disaster Network, FDN.com. I'll put all that stuff inside the various links. So we'll take it from there. Alright, thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll subscribe. I hope to have more videos out later that will be part of the free lessons that are in the disaster manual, and there will be in the 2022 Prepper's Guide that I'm still working on. So hopefully things will be better. I survived cancer, and I appreciate you watching everything. So have yourself a good day, and make sure to check out the website on the links. Alright, thank you.